Hello, right, said Ed, let's do another little video, see what we can do. Right guys, obviously yesterday we lost the camera, battery went dead, and we have a problem. I mean, I got more and more down and depressed about it last night. This is not going to fit. It's just not. It's not going to fit. I got two ideas. One was grinding tape on the head of the bolt. That was the first idea, right? But that means it'll put it under strain. So I don't think it's going to work because I've got things next right there. So what I'm going to do is take it off first thing, right? Okay. So I know, obviously, for all the people, what you got to understand is I have. You got lovely enthusiasm. I have a bit of a enthusiasm faded, I don't know why. I marked this last night. I'm hoping the marks are still on there. Oh, soon. Anyway, this last night I was out here. I've been working, and the camera was dead, and I just lost the will to go on with it all, to be honest. I know, as I said before, the biggest problem with all this is you just got to keep it. You know, I'm trying to keep at it, but all the gaskets are going to fall down. That's all the gaskets are falling down. Apart from ones that stuck on. Sorry. This one obviously not being one of them. Anyway, so we're going to try. We said today, I thought I said, let's look at this and see whether there's anything I can do to get this sort of straightened out. First thing I address is the angle, alright, so bear with me guys. I hate to make a bit of noise, but I'm going to. I'll try and get the angle of it. It's on there. How's that angle? You laugh. Just look at there, and there's a great big split. Okay then, my little tube viewers. So, I got the other side on last night, as you well know. Well, you don't, because the camera went before you got to see it. So I will say that the other side went on. What I've done this time is I'm trying to be a little bit more, I don't know, sort of crafty, sneaky, I don't know. But we're going to sort of say to ourselves that we don't have to get them on. We're going to do the ones we think are the easiest ones to start with. In theory, I'll make you laugh, flanges should be perfect because flanges are all the same, so it wouldn't matter but it's just they've been held not in a different location by the bolts. Alright, so we're all loose. We could probably get, we won't get, well we might do. We'll give it a go. I am not going to really worry too much about it. Right. Well, we have got to grind the other bit, so I can't complain about that, can we? Sorry, anyway. I said to you before, this was never, ever, I don't know why the other side was alright, this side just didn't. And she still is not even trying to go. So let's have a look. Okay, so not doing too well on that front at the moment. Should we try a bit of persuasion first before we try and do something different? Okay? Right. We've got a Corona nose blow. Well, Corona nose blow. We've got a pry bar. Yeah. Maybe this one. Maybe this one. Maybe that one. Right, so what do you think? Try at the bottom one. Oh, you can see that. That's good. Okay. So this one. Okay, so the cut in the pipe did the business. But can I see it back up? You missed all of that, didn't you? Sorry guys. The cut in the pipe did the business. It moved it. But where's your last? Say it yourself. See what that looks like. Right. Let's see. Let's try and cover this at home. Nice. I think that's going to be a disaster, but hey. We always thought it might be, so we're not going to be erring on the side of like I didn't like the, there was a, when I tightened that, the last one, it sort of went, I think it didn't like it, so let's see. That definitely closed up the gap. Is that, did I get the entire split? Oh, no, I didn't. Do you know what? Honestly, mate, you have no idea. Not me. What's on there? Right. I will give you the good or the bad news. I mean, that one either has missed completely, which means that one's, I don't know. I don't know why that gasket seems to be sticking out. So proud there, but she is. Right, my little tube viewers. I'm happy with that. I'm not happy, but right. I did a bit of welding, bending. Sorry, welding. I cut the pipe. I had to, so. So we got our. I think the exhaust when I bolt strip. I think one of the bolts stripped, alright? So, you know, it's not sort of like it. Okay, so there's your, right, so there's your, so come on, so that's the two pipes, right, alright, well that's your big one, but he's not going to go over that top of there, so, half of me wants to do with that, now, half of me wants to see what that is. The other half of me says no. Oh, right, welded, done, bracket, angle, neither sleeve pipe to be done, This, on, bolted, that one, I just thought he went like a bit, oof. Anyway, these have gone up, they've gone up, so we're going to assume, driver's side pipe, clamp round it, job's good, water hose back onto itself. We need to make a throttle pump, we've still got this problem with the spacers. So I'm not, you know, as I say, I'm not starting to crow and get all excited at the minute. I'm gonna just keep plodding on, slow down. Just, I know it's easy for, you know, to get sort of like, you know, sort of like yeah. That's what I do. I think, oh, I'm there. Then actually I'm not. I'm nowhere near. This side, you can see, well, you can't because I've got a head torch. But let's pretend that side bolted up absolutely perfect first time. So that's all it is. So in theory, we're a lot further along we were. So I will say to myself, you've done good.